here at Mamu Rainforest Walk and Canopy Walk, and this is for my homework today. So you have these little soundtrack things, and right here is track 1. This is volume, and that is play, that is turned off, and that's menu. And then you have these little earplugs right here, what you plug into your ears, and then it'll tell you facts. So there's little tracks, and there's little number 1 track, number 2 track, and number 3, and then you stop, you turn it on, and then you listen to it, and it's very, very cool. My little micro ear thingy, what it told me is it tells you about the people of this forest.